Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For anyone who's new here, thanks for stopping by. So I'm Rudy, and on this channel, I'll help you become the best version of yourself. That's my aim. All right. So on that note, I've got a question for you today. How significant do you think is the relationship between your health and your wealth? We all know the saying, right? Health is wealth. But digging deeper into this can be truly empowering for your life. Optimizing my health has been a major focus of my life for many years, and I'm certain that this has directly impacted my current and my prospective wealth, whether that be through my career or in business. So if you truly want to change your life and build your wealth, keep watching as I'll discuss 5 key areas of how health builds your wealth. This is all to keep you motivated, so let's get into it. So let's start with your cognitive function. Yes? Your mind and your body are interconnected. This is basically a two-way relationship where your mind influences your body and your body influences your mind. So regular exercise will actually sharpen your mind. It will give you a boost in memory, attention, and thinking skills so you can make better decisions to solve problems. And how do you build wealth? Well, you solve problems. Now, it's been proven that exercise actually increases the size of the hippocampus as we age. And this is the area of the brain that's responsible for memory as well as learning and emotion. Also, an interesting study with a group of young adults found that higher levels of endurance on a simple walking test were associated with higher scores on an exam. So a simple correlation then is healthier individuals have higher cognitive function and benefit from regular exercise. For me, I definitely agree with this, as the focus I gain from a good session in the gym is like no other. I'm able to lock in at work, my mind feels lighter, I feel sharper, basically brain fog just goes. You just feel all around better, your mind just feels that much quicker. So seriously, make regular exercise a non-negotiable in your routine. And this goes for any physical activity, so whether it's lifting weights, running, walking, anything, just do something. And remember, with a fitter body, you get a sharper mind. And this is gold in your career and in business and success. Now, the next key point to consider is your mental health, and often overlooked, as obviously it's not as visible as your physical health, but trust me, it's just as important. Life is literally all a mental game. This is basically the law of mentalism. I'll dive into this in another video, but your mental health, of course, has a direct impact on your wealth. Now, just being depressed decreases your employment by 10% and earnings by potentially 27%. And guess what? Going from having no to severe depressive symptoms reduces earnings from 11% to 44%. Your mental health is the driver of the reality that you live in, and good mental health sparks your creativity. It keeps you motivated. It allows you to wake up every day and to face challenges set for you in this life and to take action in a meaningful way. Now, there's some quick tips that you can use to help with your mental health, right? Easily, 2. Meditation and exercise. If you haven't done so already, you'll be shocked at what 15 minutes a day just meditating can do for your mental health. If you sit in a corner, shut your eyes, 15 minutes a day, clear your head, that just works wonders for your mental health. And again, exercise. The gym is therapy, at least for me. I've never left feeling like it was a waste of time. I know sometimes it's just not ideal. You're tired, you've had a long day at work, you don't feel like going, but you'll always feel better afterwards. And when you feel better, you can then put all of that focus into your career. You can then also have the mental clarity and creativity to just start a business, try to build something, and through that you can then look to build your wealth. Alright, now let's talk about the direct financial implications of good health. Alright, and this is quite a direct but key point. And it's simple. If you maintain good health, you then reduce the burden of medical expenses. And this is both in money and in time. You'll also reduce any potential loss of income from lapses in productivity in terms of productivity at work, so time away from work or time away from any businesses that you have. And this should definitely be a priority, as healthcare has been a major point of concern for so many. And in terms of dollar impact, about half of US adults say it's difficult to afford healthcare costs. And even where national healthcare is basically free at the point of use in the UK, the wait times are significant due to the NHS struggling to deal with a growing backlog of cases. Now, with that said, focusing on your health isn't just about the save on the upfront immediate costs and potential losses. The money and time that you save on healthcare should be invested towards education. So in gaining new skills, or building a business, or just being more productive and leveling up in your career. Basically pursuing opportunities that will directly enhance your wealth. Remember, every dollar, pound, euro, yen, and hour saved on healthcare is the same that you can invest in yourself and your future prosperity. Alright, the next key point is your career longevity. And again, this one's simple, right? So good health directly contributes to a longer and more productive career, allowing you to gain invaluable experience, progress, and in turn build substantial wealth. It is unfortunate, but the reality of life is that poor health often leads to a premature exit from the labor force due to either disability or early retirement. Now, this clearly emphasizes the critical role of maintaining good health for sustaining your career. And as you'd expect, higher individuals tend to save a larger portion of their income and accumulate more wealth over time. And this is in part due to, you guessed it, a longer career. So again, taking care of your health builds your wealth. Alright, the last point to consider is entrepreneurship. Good health doesn't just make us feel good, it empowers us. It empowers us with self-confidence, creativity, and clarity, which are all qualities for successful entrepreneurship. Now, self-confidence is the driver though. Without it, nothing gets done. You can have all of the ideas in the world. If you don't have the self-confidence to act on them, then they're nothing but thoughts and ideas. And it's proven that higher self-confidence not only predicts entry into entrepreneurship, but higher confidence, higher self-confidence is associated with better entrepreneurial success. This realization is so empowering because focusing on your fitness and health directly improves your self-confidence. You'll feel better when you've tested your mind and your body and came out on top. The feeling or the self-assurance that you get from simply setting your mind to run a 5K or to go to the gym or to eat clean or being in the best shape of your life and actually doing it, I don't think there's a better way to improve your self-confidence than that. Now, the fact that there's some relationship for self-confidence to not only determine entry but success in entrepreneurship, that's even way more powerful. If you really want to build your wealth, you need to get better in business, right? And the first business in order is the business of your health. So in closing, it's clear that if you truly want to change your life, you first need to focus on your health. If you truly want to build wealth, if you truly want to have a prosperous future, the future is now and your health is now. So focus on your health, get fitter, you'll get mentally sharper, and you'll build your wealth. You'll be able to work longer in your career, have clarity for business, be more confident for business, and ultimately build your wealth. And as always, if you found any of this information useful, simply just drop a like, subscribe, share, and yeah, just look out for more information for you to become the best version of yourself. All right, that's it for now. Catch you in the next one. Peace.